Hello everybody. I was wanting to share with you something I got at a thrift store and decorated it, and it's just a bird cage, and it didn't have any of the jewels and stuff on it, but it did have the little acrylic bird at the top, and I thought it was so pretty I figured I could do something with it. So I added these crystals I got at Walmart. You really pay too much when you get them there, but I wanted them then. And I hung a couple little things on here. I haven't been out to my shop to get everything out because it's a disaster out there, so I'll probably add to it later. And these, let's see if I can zoom in, they were on a picture frame, kind of welded to it, so I thought and got them off where I could add it to that. And I put my little fake diamond in there. And up here, I'll show you what that is. In my pink lamp video, I had used this stuff. I got it at Walmart. And I just, it's on a plastic card in there. So I just cut along the card and left them stuck to it. And then I added that acrylic crystal to it. And then I hot glued that up there in the top. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah, it's just hot glued in there. And I think it turned out really nice. And I'd added pink crystals also. I ran them right through here, and I had some dangling down with these on them. And it just didn't look right with the pink on it for some reason. And so I took them off. And I had to take a cup saw. I'll show you if I can pick it up without tearing it up. And well, I had to paint the bottom, kind of crackle painted it. And I took the cup saw and cut a hole in it. And I set it on top of, I guess you call it a little light sconce. I had got it at the thrift store a while back, and I took the crystals off, the jump rings that go there. They were rusted and the crystals are all beat up, but I'm thinking about putting them back on it with new jump rings, even though they're kind of chipped and stuff, because I guess it's old. It seems old. And I'm not a big fan of this flower shape, so now it's covered up with the birdhouse. And I've got to put a little pad or something under there where it'll sit more straight. But I thought it turned out really pretty. And I need some ideas because I'm thinking about, I don't know if I'll use the original crystals or maybe have some dangling really low. You can see my light propped over there. And maybe add feathers, where I should add them if I do. Just any ideas you have, but I probably will add some more, some little crystals like this, hang with clear crystals right in here, all around it. But anyway, you go to the thrift store, you can find all kinds of good things and change them to suit your needs. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.